Okay guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today we're looking at how to fix the grayed out airplane mode switch on your computer. Okay, so you can see it is grayed out, and when it happens like this, you can't, in most cases, in my case, I can't even use the Wi-Fi, or even if I have a modem, I can't even use it because when you turn the Wi-Fi on, it goes off again by itself. When you turn cellular on, it doesn't work out. Even Bluetooth devices fail to work because if you turn it on, it goes off again. So we're going to look at, we are going to be looking at a few ways of fixing this problem. Okay, and if one doesn't work for you, another should work for you. And I'm going to be telling you which one exactly worked for me in my case. Normally, the root cause for this issue is that the radio management service and airplane mode got stopped. So follow me as I give out the solution to this. So first, we are going to have to restart our radio management service. So you open run. We are going to open the run command by pressing the Windows key plus R, and it should bring up the run command. Then you type services.msc. Okay, then you hit enter or you press OK. It should open the services for you. Now we are going to look for radio management service. Okay, so I can select the first one, press R, and it should take me straight to radio management services. Otherwise, you can go through it all the way down until you locate radio management services. So you want to right click on it, you go to properties, and then you see the manual, the startup type here. Sometimes when you come, you might realize it is stopped, it is not running. But first of all, you change it to automatic, you apply the change, and then when it is not running, then you click on start so that it starts to run. So you hit OK, but the moment you do this, you are not going to see the change right away. You can see it is still grayed out. So in most cases, you will have to restart your computer in order to see the change. You have to restart your computer. Another way we can start the radio management service is starting it via the registry. And you should note, modifying the registry is very risky. It's very risky, and it can cause irreversible damages to your operating system installation. So please be careful and follow carefully. You should know what you're doing. So first, you press the Windows key plus R to open the run command. Then you type regedit. Okay, regedit. Then you press enter or OK. Then you respond yes to this. Then we are going to navigate to H key local machine. So H key local machine, then you go to system, then you move to current control set. You click the arrow to its left to expand it. Then we move on to the next one, which is control. This, you open control, and then you move all the way down to class. You just click on it. You actually gonna have you right click on it, then you go to find, and then you type radio enable. It's one word, it's together. So radio enable, just like you can see right there, radio enable. Then you click on find. Then it should bring radio enable here. Let's see. So this everything here has to do with radio enable, but this is exactly what we're looking for, radio enable. So you click on it, you right click, you click on modify, and you change the value to 1. Okay, then you click OK. Now clicking OK automatically saves your changes, and the radio management service should be running now if the other one didn't work out for you. So you close it and then you restart your computer. Now it's still grayed out. Okay, you restart your computer and then you should see the changes. If this still didn't work for you, keep watching the video to see the next one. Okay, so if the previous way of solving this problem didn't work for you, you should be watching this one too. So this time around, we are going to run the Windows 10 Network Troubleshooter, and it's a very wonderful tool which comes with all the versions of Windows 10, and it helps users to troubleshoot various Windows components. So under troubleshoot, we can see a lot of Windows components like audio, printer, Windows Update, Bluetooth keyboard, power, etc. Now this is how you open it. You can press and hold down the Windows key plus I to bring up the Windows settings, or you click here, then you click on settings. This is another way you can open it, or you come here and you type settings. Either way, I prefer using the shortcut all the time though. So when you open up the settings, you now come here and then you type troubleshoot. Okay, now the thing is, sometimes when you depending on the Windows version, if you're on the very latest one, you should see troubleshooting settings somewhere around here, but because of the version of Windows 10 I'm using, I don't have it there, so I will search for it. I'll just search. This is the easiest way to reach over there, so I easily search for it here and I click on troubleshoot settings. Okay, so it brings me down here. I scroll down and you can see get up and running. You can troubleshoot your internet connections and all these stuffs. But what we want to troubleshoot is the network adapter. Okay, find and fix problem with wireless and other network adapters. So you click on troubleshoot and the network adapter, you click on run troubleshooter, and then it begins to run in the background detecting problems. So let's see for ourselves. So when it's finished scanning, you are going to see select the network adapter to diagnose. Now we select all network adapters, we move on to the next step. It begins to look for problems. So it says your mobile broadband capability is turned off. To enable it, click apply this fix. So we click on it. So normally this should actually fix the problem for you, but you see Windows was unable to fix the problem. It says wireless capability is turned off, now fixed, and mobile broadband capability is also turned off, and the network cable is not properly plugged in or may be broken. Even this is nothing so true. You get it? So finally, the one that actually worked for me. While you are doing all this, there is one thing I forgot to mention. Always check your physical wireless switch. Normally you press function key plus the print screen key on your keyboard and it should turn it on if you've not done that. So I have checked that very well. It's not turned on, it's off. So this should actually be working. So I will be linking to a video in my previous video in the description. Make sure you check it out. That video details how you can actually fix this by using the device manager. That is the easiest fix. So make sure you check the video. It's going to be linked down in the description. Thanks for watching.